Yeah, hi guys. So today I'm going to teach you Kubernetes basics, right? So let's get started. Let me open my Chrome browser and here, uh, yeah, exclamation. Oh yeah, okay. So first question, interviewer will may ask you, what is Kubernetes, right? Kubernetes, Kuber, Kubernetes, Kuber, Kubernetes is open. Kubernetes is often often abbreviated as a K8s, right? Why we call this K8s? Because in between K and S, right? In between K and S, there are yet characters. That's why we call it K8s, right? Right? We call it K8s because between K and S there are 8 characters, 8 characters, right? So between K and S there are 8 characters. That's why we we call we call it K8s, right? This is one of the interview questions, right? So Kubernetes often often Kubernetes often Kubernetes Kubernetes often abbreviated abbreviated KS is source open source platform for contain for containers, right? Right, it is open source platform for containers. Design, right? Kubernetes, it is designed open source platform for containers, right? Kubernetes is designed for developing Kubernetes. uh, it is designed designed for automatically automatic de deployment automatic deployment of application, scale scale up scaling up and down, and up and down, and management of software application, management of software application in containerized containerized application, right? So management of containerized management of containerized application, right? So this is what this is what Kubernetes, right? It was originally 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 developed by it was originally developed by it was originally developed by mm, Google Google and now uh, cloud native computing cloud native computing uh, foundation now currently and now cloud native computer foundation, which is nothing but CNCF, right? Maintained by now it is main now maintained by maintain maintains now maintains by cloud native, right? CNCF, right? Kubernetes Kubernetes will Kubernetes will provide Kubernetes will provide or Kubernetes provides auto scaling automatic automatic deployment automatic deployment and automatic deployment and scale scaling and management of contain containerized application, right? across across the container across the containerized application container across the host cluster, right? Host cluster, right? This is just a story behind this, right? This is what Kubernetes in actually, right? Why we call Kubernetes K8s? Because between K and S there are 8 characters. That's why we call it K8s, right? Or who developed Kubernetes? Originally, Google was developed Kubernetes, right? Using by using Go language, right? And now who is maintaining currently CNCF, right? Cloud native computing foundation is currently managing that, right? That is what? Okay, good. So this is just an interview question that we have understood here. Hmm?